Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and let me do this real quick. I am going to show you how I gave you tips on how I wash my makeup brushes. Now I'm going to show you, and then so like I told you, I use when I don't have brushes cleaner. I use the Suave shampoo and conditioner that helps me to wash my shampoo. Wash my a good amount. I won't need much this time because I am not doing too many brushes. I'm just washing brushes that I will have to use all the time when I do my videos. So yeah. Hope y'all can, let me just get it. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh, let me get that good and clean. Alright, so we have this one. The dirtier the dirty the water will be. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Make sure you turn all of your brushes one way when you let them dry. So this one is going to have to go in your hand. So when you have one very pigmented, this is what you're going to do. There you go. And you can do it with your bigger brushes as well. Okay, and then the last one. That's it, and then we're just going to pull that out, and then we're going to wrench this out. But that is mostly it, and we're going to let the brushes dry overnight, and we'll get some and have some alcohol. And just puff the ones that need to puff up a little. And do this on your hand. And the ones that, like I'm saying, that needs to puff up, let them puff up a little before they can dry. And that's it. So I hope you end up liking this. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this. Wash my makeup brushes video. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.